Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I've been doing reviews for about 2 years now. I've done electronic reviews. I've done flannel reviews. I've done reviews just about toys, baseball cards. But majority of my reviews are from hats, caps type things. So I take a lot of pride in my reviews. And it really means a lot to me when a company sends me a cap or two to review their product, knowing that I'm going to give them an honest review of what I think of their product. And just so happens that I have got a package in the mail, and it is from Cappello Fashion, and their caps are made in Italy. They are based out of Florida. Their storefront is, well, I don't know if storefront, but their website is based out of Florida. And they've been making caps for a long time. Grandfather, all the way back to Europe, they had owned a small store and passed on generation to generation. Now, so when grandfather to his father to now he's with the grandson, trying to get him involved and his son. And it's a great story, great family story. And again, Cappello Fashion Company. And this is it here. Now, they sell a variety of products on their website, and I'll put their website in the description as well. They sell some cool looking, not only they sell the flat panel caps, they sell kind of fedora type pork pie caps. They got a patchwork pork pie that I'm probably going to be ordering here shortly. And, but just a great company. And like I said, I'm all about family owned business stores, and this just happens to be one of them. So we're going to go ahead and get this right up to it. And again, thank you for trusting me to give an honest review of your caps. And there's 2 caps in this box. I was going to do 2 separate reviews, but I figured I'd just go ahead and do them both into one and put the descriptions of both those caps. And hopefully it turn a few people over their area or to their website and see how it goes from there. But yeah, so got a little card here. And I got a pretty cool silk bag. How about this? Cappello Fashion Company. And it gives their website. Nice silk looking bag. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Happy holidays, Cappello Fashion Company. Warmest thoughts, best wishes for a wonderful holiday and a very happy new year. Cappello Fashion Company, made in Italy. And here's their little Christmas card that I got. Those are the variety of the caps. I don't know if you can see this one here. That is the one I am looking to get here. That thing, it looks amazing. And, but yeah, nice little card they put in a little box. Again, small business. That's how they earn you. To get, they make you feel like you're actually a customer rather than just taking you for granted. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Nice, like I said, a silk bag here. I got to figure out how to open it. There we go. Yeah. And again, these are from Italy, made in Italy. Man, this bag is really nice. Nice dust bag. Silk, kind of, yeah, really nice. All right. So the first one here we have is a Cappello Sport Fantasia. It's in the beige, size large. Made in Italy. Look at that. Made in Italy. Here is the company here. I don't want to butcher that, but I would say it's probably Petracci. Maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it says made in Italy. And that's the name of the cap here now. Again, it is a large. Take the stuffing out. Now this is more of a lighter weight cap. And but yeah, that's a beautiful cap. It's got some grays, some blues in there. It's got the, look at this, hand-stitched logo on the inside. It's got that nice blue look. And then, of course, made in Italy here. I don't know if I already showed that or not. Again, these are Cappello Fashion Company. And hand-stitched there as well. Now, like I said, I'm not going to try these on until I show a close-up, and then I'll come back to do the review. And the next one is the Lucca Driver Cap. It's in a blue. Let's take the stuffing out of this one. This one's a little bit more heavier weight, but that is a beautiful cap there. Dark blue. Inside, that is sewn on. So that's stitched in there. Wowzers. What does these pins say? I don't got my glasses. I'll have to show a close-up what that says on it. And there it is there. Size large. And that is the name of the company. Made in Italy. Made in Italy. Like I said, it's a little bit more thicker. Man, that's a beautiful cap. But I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Again, these are from the... Man, oh man, this is a beautiful cap. I mean, this thing feels amazing. What is this made of? This is made of... 50% acrylic, 25% polyester, and 20% wool. And 5% other... I forgot my glasses. But floors, something like that. Let's see what this one's made of. This one is made of 100% cotton on this one. Like I say, obviously you know that's a lighter weight cap, but this one feels really good. And again, this is from the Cappello Fashion Company. Now we're going to pause the video. I'm going to show you a close-up of each one, show you the inside, and you guys can tell me how I can pronunciate some of these names. I'm English, but I did do a little research and realize it's called Cappello and Lucca. You got to pronounce it because there's two C's. Lucca as the driver cap. But yeah, I'll be right back and show you a close-up. All right, so here's a close-up of the two. This is actually called the Prince of Wales, the pattern cap. It's a lightweight. Size large. Really lightweight. That is a perfect summer cap there. And you got to love see the hints of the blue with the gray, a little bit of yellow or tan there. And then this one here is the Lucca Driver Cap. And this is in blue, a dark blue. Really nice fabric. Of course, that is hand stitched in there as well, or sewn in there. Name of the company, made in Italy. The Lucca Driver Cap, look at that. Yeah, so these are really, you can just tell they're high quality caps. And I can't wait to give these a try on here. But that is the both of them, the Prince of Wales, this is the pattern cap, and then the Lucca Driver Cap. Let's go ahead and try these single panels on. All right, so we're going to try these on. First of all, I do have my Reviews of Moose shirt here on. It's I can get a Redbubble. It's got myself and Ace in it. This is the first shirt I actually had him on there as well, since he ended up being one of known commodities. And of course, let me show you a close-up what he's doing right now with the box I got from Cappello. What do you think, Ace? Yeah, good stuff, hey, bud? But yeah, that's my partner in crime. Now, I think I'm going to do the summer cap first. And again, this is the Prince of Wales pattern cap. Drum roll, please. Man, beautiful colors. Really fancy cap. Oh yeah, fits. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this fits amazing. Fits, man, oh man. Can't even tell it's even on. Get a little maybe, yeah, holy Moses. A little steam in here going on here. Get that little wrinkle out there. But yeah, holy Moses. I mean, this thing is lightweight. How about that? This one's snazzy. Definitely snazzy. That is a great looking cap. Wow. I want to show you another thing here. I can't really make out what this says because I don't have my glasses on me. But, oh, that's the name of the company. Petracci. Never mind. I actually was able to see with the sunlight. But yeah, this is the cap here. That is a beautiful cap. Like I said, I'll get those little wrinkles out. Yeah, wow. That is beautimous, as my mom would say, very beautimous. This is definitely a keeper. Yeah, man, oh man. This is a nice one. I mean, this is, I mean, you guys seen where I did the Peaky review, Peaky hat review. This is literally just like that, the fabric. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Again, I'll show you a little bit more of a close-up on that. Yeah. All right, so I'm 1 for 1 on this one. Really love this one. 2 thumbs up for this one here. This is the Prince of Wales. This is definitely, if you're looking for a summer cap, get that one. That is a nice one. All right, next one we got. This is the Lucca Driver Cap. Dark blue, a little bit like more of a thicker material. And this is definitely something from the fall to the spring that you'd be wearing. These are like so smooth on my head. You know what? Just trying this on, I actually feel like I'm on the upper echelon of society here. To where actually I'm doing something in life other than doing reviews on hats. Man, oh man, oh man. Yeah, I feel like I'm like high. I feel like I'm flying first class with this. And again, that says the what's this one say on it? You can see here. That's Alamachi, I believe it's pronounced. That's a little pin on there. But yeah, I mean, this cap, I mean, it actually matches my Reviews of Moose shirt. But however, I think if I would do this not the justice it would need, I think this needs to be a little bit more of a sweater type material, jacket. Yeah. I mean, this feels like walking into Walmart on a Saturday morning and you're just feeling out of place. You know, this is something that you need to be going to like Saks Fifth Avenue or something like that. I am feeling like high class and individual with this cap on. Wow, again, man, that is a beautiful cap. Yeah. Well, Cappello Fashion Company, you did yourself. I highly recommend these caps. I'll put the links in the description on there. And both, like I said, made in Italy. These 2 caps are insane. Really beautiful caps. Yeah. I love them. Thank you for sending me these caps for review. I'm glad you did. I would have never, I mean, hopefully I spread it to my followers. Like I said, I started 2 years ago. I'm almost at, I'm at 9,500 subscribers now. And I'm just working my way up. But thank you for the opportunity for me to review your products. I'm glad I love them because that would have been the first time I had somebody send me something where I wouldn't have liked them. But yeah, amazing. Again, thank you again, Cappello Fashion Company. I really enjoy the caps. Thanks for sending them to me. This is Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.